This is the Smith & Wesson M3000, the shotgun. I'm going to do 10 shots with it at a target right there. From about this distance.
This is gonna be awesome.
You just ruined the whole thing. Okay, that's about 10 shots. Let's go see what we did.
I think this is gonna be awesome.
The wind was curving. It was pretty windy out here, so all the BBs were curving and it was harder to hit. Okay,
I said this
that's
is
about
gonna be
it.